in routine and expert routine. There is a
Got it.
four kinds of routine. So routine is,
Mm-hmm.
what is a routine? So routine is nothing. Routine is a set of program, okay,
Mm-hmm.
or set of logics we need to implement before loading the data into target. Okay, so as per your business scenario, okay, as per your business requirement, or whatever the logics, okay, the user want or business want, you have to write under this routine. So based on your requirement, you can write a routine. Okay, so we would like to know, I mean, what are the routines, and the routine, I mean, how we define, I mean, how we know which should be implement. Okay, so if that is based on business scenario, okay, how the business want. So but before business, I would explain you, I mean, what routine and how to use it. Okay, so let me come into the characteristics here, or field routine. So field routine, that means you can say a individual field you can apply either characteristics or key figure. That is a field routine. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So field routine, how will implement and how data is transformed. So basically, in the source system, whenever you are going to change, like modify any record, delete any record in source system. Okay. Example, data source. So what we did basically, data is in data source and we are loading into the cubes. Okay, in between we have a transformation. So we are writing a transformation in field routine. So field routine works like whatever you would want to change, like delete, modify, it will change on your source. Up, then it will reflect in the target after DTP triggered.
Got it.
Okay, so I will show you in the practically how we
Mm-hmm.
can. So before, I would like to show you the theoretically some parts. Okay, now similar, we have a start routine. So start
Mm-hmm.
routine is the area in transformation where you can write as per your business logics. So it will implement, like if you want some, select 10 records, okay, where condition is like something, currency is a USD. So that would going to fetch from source, or whatever the selections, deletions, or like you want to modify changes happening. Okay, that would happening on source system. Okay, source means PSA or data source, and then after trigger the DTP, then it will implement the target. This is the start routine. Okay, now come to the in routine. So in routine, I am going to change, modify, or add anything or any calculations. So directly reflect on the target. That means if you want to change anything, okay, using in routine. So in routine, what will do? Change, modify, add anything in on your target data, not a source data. This is the one difference here. Start routine and in routine difference. Start routine is going to change in source, but in
Oh,
routine is going to change on target.
oh,
Okay,
okay. Got it. Got it. Got it.
okay.
Fair enough.
So here is okay, there is minor difference. Okay, only that is a, called a start routine, that is before transformations, and in routine implement after transformation. Okay, I will show you how we can write and how to reflect the data and modify and changes. Okay, and what kind of logics we can write here. Expert routine. These are the totally different other than 3-1. Okay, expert routine, whenever go for expert routine, so the all the mappings of transformation into end mapping will not available. Only single mapping will be available on the transformations. Okay, I will tell you and show you how, I mean, look like the expert routine. Okay, so
So what is an expert routine? Can you just
yes,
explain what is this?
yes, sure. So expert routine is a routine, okay, which is
Mm-hmm.
write a code to populate the data from source to target. It is
Oh,
not assignment or automatically
got it.
population,
Got it.
right? You have to write
Mm-hmm.
behind the logic, okay, which field or
Okay.
how data is going to populate, okay, using a abap code. That is
Okay. It's like a procedure or something. Okay.
procedure. Correct. You have to write a some procedure or whatever, like methods, class, or
Mm-hmm.
whatever when you want, you can write.
Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
So if you will not write anything, so data will not populate. That is
Got
the one. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so this is the four kind of routines available in the. Apart from this, we have formula, constant. I'll show you. Okay, what are these options are available. Now come to the system. Okay, now here. Okay, now this is the basically we have a transformation. Okay, so any field. Let's say I'm going to click this field. Okay,
Mhm.
so I'm going to show you the field routine. If you double click on this, already we have written. Okay, that's why it is, see, it is okay. If you can see, if you go for display change one, then it will enable. Okay, similarly, if you double click on this, see, rule types. Rule types is a
Mm.
routine I have already implemented. Okay, you can just change it. Now you can see this is a source code.
Mm. Got it.
This is a, okay, this is the source code defined internal table and all. This is still here. This is a source code. Okay, and this is some methods are given here. Okay,
Mm.
now that methods is going to implement using here. See, methods going to implement. Here is the calling that method. Similar kind of
Mm.
procedure. Okay, you have to write a procedure and you have to call it right in the
Mm.
procedure. Okay, similar here we have a methods. Okay, so methods already implemented. Now I am calling here. So I am before calling, I have written here method. See,
Mm.
this is a four lines of code we given here. Like if source system, okay, this is the source system
Mm.
address. Okay, and address if equal to
Got it. Mm.
US,
USA. Okay.
yeah, USA, and that is the address is equal to JP. Okay, if
Mm.
both
Mm.
are condition satisfied, then it write a IN. Okay, if it is not given this fulfill these conditions, it write Bharat. Similar
Got
kind
it.
of.
Got it. Got
Okay,
it. Mm.
so just you have to write here and you can check here abap code, yeah, no syntax error, and you can save it.
Mm.
Okay, so you can transfer value and you have to activate. So already we did. Okay, already did the activation.
Mm.
So just I would like to show you here. Okay,
Mm.
so this is the one of the field
Mm.
routine we call characteristics or field. So either you can write here or any characteristics name. Even you see, by default that is a direct assignment, right? See,
Mm.
okay. See, by default that is a
Oh, constant. Okay. Director. Okay.
constant.
Fine.
Okay, formula, initial value, read master data, read data source, and routine. Okay, so let me show you here. So formula already I have here written a formula. I'll show you. See, I have written a formula here. See, this is a formula. Okay, so if you go here, change one button, I'll show you. I have written here. Let's see if you put it. If you want something change here, okay, you can change
Mm.
the formula. Okay, you have to change before changing any formula. You have to change your transformation first. Okay, now you can change. If you want any changes on formula, you can go here. It is saying display. It is still not allowing to change. Come back. Can't be changed. Something is okay. It's saying something is not. Let me do one thing. I have gone to the another one.
Mm.
Let I am creating salary here. Okay, I'm
Oh.
clicking. Okay, you can select here formula. Okay, you can here let you can your where is that your field, that still you can search it here.
I think under A. Underscore A.
Underscore,
V. Okay.
right?
V. Yeah.
Saying it is not correct name, that's why it's not coming. Let me also.
Okay.
Yeah, Z A is there, right? So
A underscore A.
A is there. Yeah, it's
Hmm.
double click here, and you can put here operators are there. Okay, let's see, I'm
Hmm.
adding something. Okay, I add put it some like 50 or something. Okay, you can
Hmm.
put it
Hmm.
thing like if you numbers even we have.
So we can do, right, if
Yes, yes,
salary is greater than 10,000, add 50,
correct.
whatever.
Yes, yes, yeah, you can
Yeah,
write. You can
formula,
write
whatever. Yeah, got it.
formula. Yes, yes. Okay, you can equal to something,
Hmm.
whatever you want. Okay, you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
put
got it.
something. It's saying allow to change. Yeah, now it's coming. Yeah. So now you can put it here, whatever the like you want. Okay. So if you want anything like all the operators are even here, okay, and all like the number and everything. See, if you number here,
Yeah.
you can put it here number. Like see 50, I want, okay, 50.
Hmm.
Okay, so you can add here 50. Okay, so it's
Hmm.
done. Then you can have to check it if formula is correct. Yeah, now you can syntax is correct now. Okay, now you
Hmm.
can come back. Okay, you can transfer value. Okay, now you have to activate it.
Hmm.
So whatever the return you, okay, that would be there. Okay. So let two, I'm going to show you, okay, how the
Hmm.
field level routine and formula is uh, updating. So you can come into your system here and try to upload. So before updating, I just delete the data from InfoQ. Why? Because it is not showing exact what we have did the changes on the transformation. Okay.
Got it.
So okay, so just we just delete the data from the InfoQ, and I'm going to change. I'm going to run the DTP. So whatever the like return the code is, it will reflect in the data sources. I mean the InfoQ. It will show state data. Okay, even I will show you. Let me
Hmm.
open another session, and I'll show you the data in the data source, what are the data available in the data source, and how it is reflecting, and what are the targets data. Okay, give me, I'm opening another session for, I'll show you the PSA data. Go to manage, because data is coming from these data sources into the
Hmm.
InfoCube. So just I will go to sync the
Hmm.
data or everything. Okay, say now this is the PSA data, and now I have loaded here. Okay, so now it is completed. Now you can display the data in InfoCube. Select all data in InfoCube. Yeah, you can see now. Okay,
Hmm.
now, okay, you can see what are I have written in the 50 plus. Okay, I have added 50 in the salary. Okay, that is the calculations we did. Okay, now you can check your PSA. PSA, we have a 3987. Here, see 31030. Added the 50, right? You can see.
Hmm.
Got it?
Hmm.
You
Yeah.
add, okay, if you add 3987, okay, so it would be 50 added 31 point at 30038. Okay,
Got it. Got
so even you can see here 44 is there. Okay, 44
it.
last
Hmm. Hmm.
records is
Yeah.
there. 44. Okay, if you added, it would be the 94,
94. Got
right?
it.
So this is
Yeah.
the, so I would like to show you how it is reflecting. So this is a formula. Okay.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Go back. So 44 plus 50 is 94, but
Right.
31.005 plus 50 should be like 50, 81, right?
Let me some. Yeah.
Because I didn't see that getting changed.
Okay, let me. Yeah, why there is some there is some calculations happening. Let me show you. So it is not
Hmm.
reflecting, right? So, yeah. So what is the calculation says? Let me show you here. So what is the calculations is 3987. Okay, here is something like, okay, let me. So have you calculated it? It is not showing correct?
So like 31 plus 8, 50 should be 81, right? So
Okay,
it
let me.
can't go to decimal side. So
Okay, right. But it is working, right?
No,
Last one.
for one it's working. 44 plus 50 is 94. That's correct. But for others,
Okay,
I don't think it's not working.
okay. So it is saying like a point. Okay, that's it. It is not
Mm,
working. I guess
yeah.
it is assume as a
Because
point.
I'm thinking, maybe like, compatibility with the digits, like this is decimal as full number.
Correct.
So,
Right. You are okay. So let me. I'll show you the quantity because quantity
mm,
there is not okay. I'll show you here. Okay. So let me show
mm.
you in the quantity. Okay. So come to the here because salary is something like we have some currency.
Oh,
Okay. That
that's
yeah.
okay.
That's
So I
the reason.
think in that target table, it's
Yes.
coming as integer 4
Correct. Right.
salary,
Yeah. So
whereas the
time.
source table, it's integer 2.
Yes.
So I don't
So
know why it's changing. So,
yeah, so sometimes the reason behind it that reason. Okay, so what I need to do,
mm,
you can delete it. Go to the change mode.
ah,
Okay, right click here. See there is a delete also available. Okay, so what I need to, and yeah, so double click. See now you disable. Okay, just you can go to change mode.
mm,
Right click here. Now you can see delete a
mm,
rule. There is also
ah,
option
ah,
you can delete a rule. Okay, it is
mm,
deleted. Okay, now similarly I'm going for the quantity. So already
mm,
quantity
mm, mm.
multiply by 10. Okay, so
Yeah.
now I'm going to show you. Activate this one first.
So, Premi, I have one question for you.
Yes.
See, the source table, the
Okay.
data type is integer 1 and integer 2,
Okay.
whereas the target, like it's coming as integer 4, and both are integer 4, like, salary as well as the quantity.
Okay.
So, why did that change?
Where
Because
is
when we did
this one you are
the map,
saying?
yeah.
Yeah. See, this is the integer one and two. This is the like a kind of storage. Okay.
No, but it was not defined by us, right? Because that's what happened to me yesterday also when I was creating.
Okay. So by
So
default it is taking. See, it is by default.
by
Sometimes
default it's taking. Okay,
yes,
fine, fine.
it is by default is taking. Okay, data type.
Okay.
Okay, that's the reason it is giving. Even you can see
No, but
length is
can we change it because the target, if we want to change the type of character,
here let me check. I mean,
that'll
see,
be helpful, if you can show me that.
yes. So it is saying, okay, see here, I mean,
Mm, ah,
see, this is showing, okay, this is a by
mm,
default is showing everything here. Okay,
okay.
length and all. Okay, this is
Ah,
the by default is showing. See, okay, but we have it is, I mean, if you have taken, let me quantity, I mean, we have taken, let me check the data type first. In what are the data type taken for Z is salary here? Is,
integer 4 long, yeah.
yeah, let me check that object. I mean, it is you are saying here one and here is a four, right?
4, and
Let
also, like, the customer ID is like that side we operate as like, I think, data string, whereas the other side is numerical. So,
let me if you double click here,
mm,
yeah, see integer is given. See, okay,
mm.
you can see there is a 4 byte is given here. Okay,
Yeah. So I was trying to change that. It doesn't allow to change.
let me change here. Yeah, because already you have used that one, right? So that is the reason it is if it is already used, okay, you can create new one and check it, right? Okay. So later, okay, what
Okay.
you did, okay, because you have already used that one, okay. So
Yeah.
sometimes you don't have it, the access to do any changes, okay, you can create separate one. Okay.
Okay.
So that's the reason it is giving 4 here, okay. And might be sometimes you have created, okay. So the difference is only the integer one, okay, if you
Mm,
integer one, that means it will accept all the minus and plus value, okay.
right.
Only the difference integer 1 and 4, there is some storage will be large, like by default is 60 characters, okay, now is taking, okay, under quantities only the storage difference would be there, okay, nothing
Mm,
any kind of any like difference is there, okay. Only difference is one have larger storage, I mean the 4 integer 4 is have larger storage, then even you can see here length value,
Mhm.
If you check the length, it can
Yeah.
store only 3 digits. You can see three
Yeah. There
lengths.
it's 10. That's 10.
10,
Yeah.
right? Okay, that's why. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm not able to change here, but initially if you create it now, it will change it. Okay, so
Okay.
this is the one of the kind of things. Okay, now we'll show you that routines, basically how it is
Mm.
changed the routines. Okay, so let me show you the target first. Here, this is the info cubes. Okay, right click here, go to display data, and I would like to show you the routine which have we did the changes. Okay, yes, now you can see all are
Oh, Bharat. Okay.
reflecting Bharat, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Because the whatever the we have address, right? Whatever the address in the source, you can see here, this
Mm-hmm.
is source data. Okay, in the address you can see there is no like a JP kind of anything, right? JP
Mm-hmm.
USA is available, but JP I have taken, right, one of the address. Okay, in the
Mm-hmm.
code. Okay, that's why the condition is not filled. That's why reflecting all Bharat,
Mm-hmm.
right? So this is the use of your transformations. This is
So
called,
whenever it's JP, it's IN. Otherwise, it's all Bharat, right? So that's what.
yes,
So it's
correct.
our condition, which is okay.
Correct. If you
Yeah.
put or, it will I
Yeah.
and it will show, right. Correct. You are right. Yeah. So this is the like we can field correct characteristics. I mean field routine. Either you can write on characteristics or you can write key figures, and this is the how it is working the formula. I mean formula as it is. Okay. You can all multiply by that. Okay. 10. That is a formula. Okay. So this is called a two formula and routine. Now come to the another kind of routine called a start routine. Okay, now here start routine. Click on the start routine, click continue. Now, similarly, we have a source code. This is all are the abap source code. Okay, this is predefined, already defined. Only
Mm-hmm.
consultant can define here. Okay, see here you can define insert code here. This is okay, insert code here.
Ah, okay, got it.
Here you can write a code. So what I did to write here,
Mm,
delete source package. Source package means your source data. Okay,
got it.
it's selecting source, all the delete selection, but I have given the conditions. Okay, whatever the
Okay.
Ravi, okay, Ravi name,
Mm.
okay, name is that Ravi. Okay, if Ravi name we got it, okay, that record would be delete.
Okay,
Okay,
let's change to something else so that we can test it.
yeah, right, yeah,
Just see
exactly.
the source data. Let's put something
Yeah,
else.
source, yeah, sure. I have see here. This is the target data.
We have
Yeah, source Ravi.
Sumo, SUMO. The ones.
There is no any source data sumo. Raju is there.
Oh,
Only,
Raju. Huh?
yeah,
Okay,
only
so we can say uh, okay, Ruby.
Ruby. Where is that?
That's Ruby
Yeah,
is
Ruby is there. Yeah,
next to Tally. Okay.
yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
so what I did, okay, let's just what I just come to the transformation first. Okay, I am going to delete
Okay.
Ruby. Okay, Ruby. Okay, you have to save it.
Oh, you're going to delete that. Okay, got it. Okay.
Yeah, you have to, yeah, deleting. I'm particular. Okay, so I'm activate this transformations. Yeah, it is done. Then
Hmm.
what I need to do? Uh, Come back. Okay, you have to delete. Otherwise, it will not reflect. Okay, delete the data from InfoQ.
Okay, got it, got it. Is it
Okay.
called cleaning the data? Okay, fine, got it.
Yes. Okay. So let me run the DTP. Entry record has been loaded.
Hmm.
Now you can see display the data in info.
Good.
Yeah, you can check now. There is no view, I guess. See,
It's
there is
gone.
no. It's gone, right?
Yeah,
Even
it's gone, gone.
even there is a even there is an 18. There is not a 20 record in the info queue. It
Yeah,
is,
because earlier I think Ravi would have been deleted. Yeah.
yeah. See here. Now you can see here total number of
Oh,
records.
19. Yeah, perfect. Yeah,
Correct? It is one
yeah,
deleted, right? So all
yeah,
the information you will get it here, all the like data
yeah.
type, data source, everything. Okay. Similar kind of, okay. Now, so this is called a start routine.
Got
Okay.
it, got it. That's
Now
at the PSA level you're cleaning up, you said, no?
Correct. Okay. Similarly,
Source
just
of
I put, yeah, source in
yeah.
routine. Just give me 2 minutes, then we'll start putting. Okay. So here, how I am doing in routine, you can see here. Even I have written for the in
Mm,
routines
mm,
formula. So in the in routine, what I did here, I have put it loop. Okay. Loop
mm, mm,
result package. Result package
mm,
means a target. Okay. Which is assigning the result field. Okay.
mm,
And I'm putting here the conditions, case statement, case and
mm,
end.
mm,
Okay, putting
mm,
condition like when Raju is there, then put the name is RU. Okay,
mm.
if name is TA Tata, then that name is going to replace with TT.
Got it.
Okay, so
Mm.
this is my in routine. Okay, so let's see how it is reflecting the data in target. Okay, so you can delete first the target. Okay, so it will reflect. Okay, so I'm going to delete the request. Yeah, there is no request in now. Then next, I'm going to run the DTP. So data will reflect. Yeah, now you can check the content. Now you can check. Okay. So what
Yeah,
I
yeah.
did,
TT and RU. I can see.
correct, right? See
So
whatever the
now, yeah.
reflecting. See,
So this ABAP syntax, right?
correct.
Wherever you said while. So where can I get that? Like, result package or the current package or whatever, right? So
Yes,
those
yes.
kind of scripting. So do I
Yeah,
need to study ABAP or?
yeah, little bit,
Uh,
10%. See here, I
uh,
mean, like this is the or whatever the source this is a target field, right? See
hmm.
TG, all the fields. This is a predefined fields. Okay,
No,
so
no, that I got.
yeah, okay, and result package that means a result. If you see the methods, okay,
Ah,
so you can see all the defined result package is referring this one type. Okay,
oh, it's defined there. Okay.
defined, yeah, yeah. So that's why here, what I'm doing here, okay, what I'm doing, I'm
Hmm,
going to whatever the result package, I'm putting a loop,
hmm,
okay, and assigning that value, all the value in result package to field, result field,
hmm,
okay, and I'm going to check the conditions. If result field is okay, Raju, okay,
hmm.
then put that value RU. If result field is data, then it is TT, replacing the
Okay, so
value.
now next question is
Yeah,
this uh, like system generated names, right? For example, BIC slash ZC
correct.
is Z change. So
Yeah.
that does it come in an ID or we need to get that for now from
So
our back?
yeah, it will automatically see if you find this value now, it will
Hmm.
automatically here is there. See on the top of the see all the C name. See here the referring.
Oh, okay, okay, perfect, perfect. Oh, it's all
Yes,
there. Okay, okay,
yes, all
okay,
is there. Just you
okay,
have
okay,
to
good.
okay. Everything is there. See only
Okay,
define
okay,
the
I understood. So for whatever package
yeah.
has, it is going to
Yes.
display that, and okay, so got it.
Correct. Already is there. Okay. So you
Hmm,
only here a space. You can see here. Here is the space where you can write a routine. Insert a below this code. No need to change
hmm,
anything
hmm, hmm,
here. Even
hmm,
this is not a modifiable.
hmm.
You can't change. This is standard one. You can't change anything
Okay,
here.
okay, this is good. Okay. Hmm,
Yes. So here we have a space where whatever the logic you want, you can write
hmm,
under here. Okay. So that's why this is the in routine. Okay. How the data
hmm,
is going to reflect from source to target using in routine. Okay. Now
hmm,
the next is called a expert routine. So how can you? So I have written the expert routine separate routine. This transformation. Okay. Double click on this, and now you can see this is expert routine. See how
hmm,
look like expert routine. There is no only one-to-one mapping. You can see expert routine. Only single lines are there. Why single
hmm.
line? Because as I told you, expert routine is not a one-to-one mapping. Okay, it is a
Oh,
totally background. You have to write a code to
got it, got it.
update the data from your source to target, right?
Hmm,
So how I did, you can see the top left corner, you will see the expert routine. You can
hmm,
click them. If you click them, you will go
hmm,
the abap. See here, I have a write a code here, complete 10 lines of code. Okay, what will this do? I have a declare